Hi everyone, I'm Frank G from Jantek Windows, and in this episode you're going to learn the 5 things you need to know before you receive an estimate for replacement windows and patio doors. This is the 2-minute window. Buying replacement windows and patio doors is something we don't get much practice at, so many people frankly go about it the wrong way. We live in a day and an age when information is available in every corner. With the availability of information comes more responsibility on the replacement window and patio door shopper's part. So let me state what the 5 things every replacement window and patio door shopper should know and get into some detail about each one. So here we go. Number 1. Know that you, and of course all the parties involved, want replacement windows and patio doors. I know you probably think that this in fact should be simple and easy and it's already decided in your head, but you don't want to look at replacing your windows and patio doors in your home or your building unless you really want to. And you have to do this before you get into making rash decisions on what could be an expensive project. If you aren't sure, you need to understand why and access the wealth of knowledge out there, including information on Jantek's Information Central Library on our website. That information can address and resolve specific concerns you have one way or the other. Number 2, what's most important to you about the replacement window and patio doors? So what are your goals for the replacement window and patio door project? You want low maintenance, energy savings, comfort, aesthetics, customization, functionality, warranty, etc. You need to list and rank in the order of importance all of the goals that you have for your replacement window and patio doors before you meet with the replacement window and patio door company. Trust me, it's when I say that by doing this, your ability to focus on the right replacement windows and patio doors with the right options will be enhanced drastically. Number 3, know what's most important to you about the replacement window and patio door company. Are you looking for a turnkey project, product and installation? Or are you solely focused on the lowest price? How much do quality and workmanship come into play regarding your decision? These are incredibly important questions that every replacement window and patio door shopper should answer before they meet with a replacement window and patio door guy. In fact, if a consumer is solely price motivated, then they're likely not even to need a bunch of guys to come to their home and give them an estimate. And to be honest, I've had customers or prospective customers tell me their biggest concern was getting the lowest price. My response was always, we probably weren't the company for them. I say that because it's impossible to be the lowest price guy and give the best workmanship and quality. The whole idea is contradictory and it's simply not feasible when you're running a business. Over 25 years in the replacement and patio door industry, Jantek Windows has given out thousands of replacement windows and patio doors. Notwithstanding, I've also witnessed roughly 60% or so of the replacement window and patio door companies that I've competed against go out of business during that time. Fact is, companies must make a profit in order to establish longevity and be able to offer great service down the road. Number 4, know your true budget. I wrote an in-depth article about financing replacement windows and patio doors recently, but the key is, as the homeowner, take the time to figure out how you're going to pay for your replacement windows and patio doors before you actually get started getting replacement window and patio door quotes. Will you pay cash? Or will you need financing or a combination of the two? I know for many this might seem like putting the cart before the horse, but in reality, the exact opposite is true. At Jantek, we've had customers get an estimate, give deposits, get on our installation schedule, and then find out the cash or credit they were counting on was not going to be available to them. This is why I strongly suggest to homeowners to determine your financing resources before you sit down with the replacement window and patio door guy. I can assure you that if you do this, neither your nor their time will be wasted. And finally, number five, know the general difference between wood, vinyl, metal, and composite windows and patio doors. I find in general that the internet is less biased than the replacement window and patio door guys when it comes to explaining the pros and cons to the different types of windows and patio doors that are out there. Personally, and anyone who has dealt with me can attest to this, I try not to be that guy. Despite the fact that my company designs, manufactures, sells, and installs only vinyl replacement windows and patio doors, that doesn't mean I haven't told people before that we simply didn't have a product to fit their needs. Fact is, vinyl, although it fits the needs of most consumers, isn't for everyone. If a homeowner has a distinct idea as to the pros and the cons of each type of replacement window and patio door before they receive an estimate, they'll be more able to make a logical decision on the type of replacement windows and patio doors that will fit their needs. So there are the 5 things you should know before you receive a quote for your replacement windows and patio doors. I've literally given this advice to window and patio door shoppers all over the country with great results, and I hope you implement these suggestions into your window and patio door buying experience as well. I hope what you've learned in this episode will help you make a more informed window and patio door shopper. Remember, there's a lot more information on our website and on our Facebook page. I'm Frank G. from Jantek Windows. Remember, save energy, capture comfort.